20 years ago, when Dr. Shingo first began developing the SMED system, nobody would have thought this system could reduce a setup time from 4 hours to just 3 minutes. And then he did. This was a revolutionary improvement at the time and would later become a critical aspect of any lean organization. While this story is quite powerful, the reduce methodology, which is based on the SMED system, presents the details that are needed to improve every changeover and setup. It is noted that not all setups and changeovers are capable of being complete in 9 minutes or less. Nonetheless, every setup and changeover can be improved through the implementation of the reduce methodology. With this legendary story in mind, you may wonder what exactly are the benefits of reduce. The reduce methodology empowers organizations to do much more than they think. The general assumption that setups take a long time and large batch sizes need to occur to absorb the setup becomes much less of a risk when changeover time is reduced. It goes without saying that if a setup can be done quickly, an organization could change over as often as they need. This gives organizations more flexibility to meet the always evolving needs of their customers. Faster changeovers also mean faster delivery. When you can produce to demand in smaller lot sizes, your lead time significantly improves while your wait time is significantly reduced. The reduce methodology also improves quality. Because you are only producing to demand, inventory will naturally decrease. You no longer keep stockpiles from long runs. As inventory decreases, storage-related defects such as expired product, damage, and even pilferage will go down. In addition to this, improving on errors that occur in the setup process drastically reduces the amount of defects and trial runs that occur. In fact, if a defect were to occur in an improved changeover, it would be easier to spot because the lot sizes are much smaller than in a traditional setup. Shorter changeovers also mean less downtime. Less downtime means more uptime and more value created. Another benefit of quick changeover with reduce is that the methodology helps lower inventory costs. The more flexible you are, the more you can build to demand only. Building to demand, or pulling based on customer requests, ensures that you have what is being sold. This also means that storage space is reduced and work areas are cleaner and safer. While these are only a few of the benefits of implementing the reduce methodology, one stands out, and that is that plain and simple, the quick changeover with reduce methodology will benefit your organization and the people who work in it.